So, here we are at the first class. I do these video recordings mainly so that you have a face to connect to all those oceans of HTML you will be peering at shortly. It also helps that at the first face-to-face session that you don't wonder who the white-haired guy wandering in may be. By then you should know what I look like and maybe even able to tell when I'm joking, or not. Anyway, collection development and management. I'll just refer to collection development so that you can assume that the term includes the management part of it. Collection development is the most important thing we do that does not involve face-to-face interaction with our users. Librarians come and go, shocking I know, but the collection remains, or at least is the thing with which users interact the most. I've been long gone from my first job as a professional librarian, but parts of the collection over which I had control are still there. We may get to that downstream in the course somewhere. I said this in the syllabus, but it's well worth repeating. This is not a course on how to buy stuff good. This is a course about how to think about the contents of our collections and what should be included and what should not be included, and the eternal question of why. Library land is in a state of flux about almost every aspect of what we do, and the collection is no different. The stable profession into which I stepped all those years ago is long gone. Digital media, broadly defined, has changed things forever, and the pace of change is not slowing down. What had been a relatively unchanging milieu for a good 50 years when I started now changes on a daily basis, and change is not going to stop in the foreseeable future. What we need, what library land needs, is people who can think critically and make decisions. If a nice, comfortable, low-pressure profession is what you're aiming for, look elsewhere, because this is not it. Collection development, as you will discover, is a complex process. The text and the written part of this class should at least give you a hint that many complex factors go into building a collection. The fact that every library is literally unique means that there is no one-size-fits-all solution to collection development. We'll be exploring these ideas and these complex relationships as we move through the course. So sit back, do not relax, and move on to the written part of the class.